We're following a developing story involving St. Teresa Catholic School near Memorial Park. Channel 2 has learned the school has closed early for the Christmas holiday because several students have developed pertussis, better known as whooping cough. The Archdiocese of Galveston-Houston says the first confirmed case was reported on December 4th. In a letter to parents, school officials say they have 7 confirmed cases on their campus. The Texas Department of State Health Services and the Houston Health Department is investigating. School is scheduled to reopen on January 7th. Whooping cough symptoms are similar to a common cold, including a runny nose, sneezing, a low-grade fever, and a mild occasional cough.